First game. Dribble the ball between the wide. Move a little bit forward. Pass the ball to the first one. Yes. Collect the ball and do the same. Move the ball to the wide. Dribble a little bit. Pass the ball to the first and we restart the game. Every time you pass the ball, you just reach the line. Pronto, Fabri? Vai. Collect the ball. Open up. Nice. Pass to him and quick. Ready? Same story. Let's go in. Dai, Raghi. Bravo. Go behind them, middle. Bravo. Nice. Let's go in. Open up. Bravo, Ali. Collect. Try to dribble it and go in. Nice. Okay. Okay. Nice. Veloce, raga, quel pallone deve volare. You have to move the ball faster. Not go that slow. How much is important the control in this game? Okay, that's the focus of the first one. If we control and we miss the first touch, the game is over. Okay, we have to work on the first control because we know that the ball has to go between the wide. Okay, ready? Let's go in again. Bye. Bene, bravissimo. Same exactly story, but we open the control in the other side. Why? Ready? I will start with the ball. We open the control. You see the white cone? You will move there when I move the ball behind. Ready? Let's go in. Move up. One pass and I'm out of the game. You will just control and try to score with a soft pass from there. Ready? Try it. You just control the ball. Dribble in, pass him back, the second one will be ready every time, and we switch like this every time. Vai! Open, one control and try to score. Now you have to score. Bravo! Control it, dribble again. You have to open on the wide now. Okay. Control, open it up. Stesso identico gioco, ma diventa un 1 contro 1. Quindi, same start of the game of before. I just dribble the ball between the wide. You will open the game a little bit. I will play with you and I will move to my wide. Ready? Let's go in. Pass between. One pass. I move. And stop. When you control, you open in that side. Enter in the game. I will be the defender and you will come to score in my little goal. It's a 1v1. I told you last time. How much time? How much time for a 1v1 situation? 5 seconds. Okay? Open even here. Very good. Dribble until there. Bravo. And go in. Nice. Pronto? Poi switch. Bravo Fabri. Bravo. Pronto? Switch line. Pronto? Lavora con me. Vai. Apro, collect, and open. It means that here I change. And I'm in a 1v1. Okay? Don't let me see that you walk from the wide to that one. Okay? Okay? Let's go in, Raghu. Bravo. If you collect back, you move there. And you switch. Vai.